Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, you just walk in, look at me there. You can adjust yourself. Then after adjusting yourself, you can just open your eyes. Then you can just raise your hand up and do as if you bend down. After that, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, click on CapCut now, new project, import your video to workspace, guys. Click on your video and go and locate volume. Click on volume now, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Let's mark out an empty background for the video. Come back, click on the video, make a split. Go and locate overlay. Locate overlay, guys. Click on overlay, click it and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you come back and click on this your background. Click on it. Go and locate freeze. Let's freeze the background part. Look for freeze. Freeze this one. Click it and drag it to the duration. Then you come back. At this point now, we are going to be expounding the video. That is, if you like, this place is choice. Expound it and place it on the position you want it to be. Then after that, you come back and click it now. Look for remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Allow it to remove completely. As you can see that is applying. Just exercise patience, okay? Just in case this is the first time you are coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Then you like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, alright? Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, alright? And just in case you need that green screen serpent, don't hesitate to DM me on my number at the description of this video. Then I will send it to you, alright? Yes, we are still on BG removal. Welcome to the tutorial. Now he has removed completely. Mark on that good. Then you go back. Let's locate where we want the video to start from. From this point now, we are going to be clicking on this place to make a split. Delete this first part, click this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. So at this point, look at what we are going to be doing, alright? Here immediately you raise your display, make a split, delete the last part. Then here you come front, immediately your hand is up, click on the video again and make another split, alright? Make another split. You add your keyframe now, then you adjust it. Then you use your hand to crumple that character, crumple him and place him in the position where you want the serpent to appear. So crumple him and place him on the position where you want the serpent to appear. After that, look at the result. Look at how it will play. Look at how it will look like. Let's just play it to see. This is good. So at this point, you want to click anywhere. Click on add overlay. Then you bring in your green screen serpent, alright? Then you locate where you want it to start from. Then you are going to be clicking it now to make a split. You delete the first part. Click it and bring it to align with that your video. Make it to align. After that, you click it now. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Chroma key. You drag it. Mark on that good now and go back. Click it again and locate adjust. Look for adjust. Click on adjust now. HSL. Look for it. Click it. Mark on that green. Reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on that good. Then you go back. After that, click on the serpent now and adjust it the way you want it to be. Adjust it. So you just come down and do the adjustment, as you can see what I am doing. After adjusting it now, let's play it and see what it look like. This is good. This is just the video. Alright. So what we are going to be doing now is to remove the unwanted parts of the video, alright? So at this point, we are going to click here now to make a split. Come back, click here, make a split, delete that part, but before then trim this one. After 3 minutes, click on this one and delete it. So at this point, I feel and I think that this video is ready. We are going to be playing it from the beginning now. but I am sure and I am convinced that the video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. Alright, then you share it to your social media handles. But there is another thing you need to understand about this video. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. You try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. Why? Because you are not a pro member. Alright, but don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my video there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. You can watch the video, then after that you will learn and know how you come and export your video with ease. Then after that, you can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, and go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, just in case you need that green screen serpent, don't hesitate to DM me, then I will send it to you. Alright, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.